How's it going, guys, and welcome back to Dad Makes Dough. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get started making money on Fiverr without these stupid cliche methods of removing backgrounds and making logos, because you're never going to get a click. In this video I'm going to show you my first week and how much I've made doing a simple gig on Fiverr, and it's literally looking at £500 in the first month just in profit doing this. So if you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe, click that like button and let's get started. Now I know what you're going to say, you're going to be like, but I don't have no skills, can't do anything, can't teach anything, can't edit videos, don't matter. I don't have any skills, essentially. However, the skills I do have is making videos, so guess what? Let's use it, let's prioritise it, and let's make videos for people, but not just any videos. You need to find somewhere in the market. So what's Fiverr? Fiverr is a website, it's like a global marketplace for people all over the world to make something called gigs or offers that on a service that they provide. And that service can range from anything from editing your social media, SEO, building websites, making logos. I've seen a few which is like text your boyfriend to see if he's cheating.
Oh, seriously?
So if you want to give it a try, click that link in the description below and sign up to Fiverr now. It doesn't cost you anything, it's completely free. Right guys, so if we jump over onto the computer and I'll show you some of the gigs that are being offered on Fiverr now. So if we type in voice actor, like here, that's 23,000 services, that's 23,000 services available, that's gigs. There's no way you're gonna show up in that search term, but if we niche it down, so if we put British spokesperson, there's only 30 gigs available in that. So if someone's looking for a British spokesperson to, I don't know, make a short video or a testimonial or a product review or something along those lines, and they're looking for a British actor to do that, they'll search that. And if you look there, I'm the fifth gig on there. I'm getting loads and loads of eyes on my gig. And the key to getting your gig further up in the search term is reviews. So I noticed once I started getting reviews, I'd get more clicks on my listing, I'd get more orders, and it'd just keep spiraling from there. So what I did, I started offering 30-second videos, male spokesperson videos for $5. Yeah, it works out like £3 or £4. But what that enabled me to do was to gain reputation, to gain reviews. And once those reviews get put on your page, like you can see here, I've got 5 3-star reviews. I've got 3 5-star reviews on there, which means I'm more trusted. So then I started to up the price, and that's how it'll work from there. Now, I'm not just showing you this as a stupid video to show you what you can do. This is what I've actually done, and this is what I've been doing over the past week. And within a week, I'll show you how much money I've actually made. So if we switch to selling, and if you look at the stats on my gigs, so this one, what I made, has had over 1,000 impressions. I've had 33 clicks, and I've had 7 orders. So that's 7 orders, and this one, young male British actor. You see what I'm using in these search terms: charismatic British spokesperson, create an authentic British products demo, write YouTube SEO. Okay, I tested that, it didn't work. Be your young male British actor or presenter, and that's had 616 impressions, 14 clicks, 4 orders. It just goes to show. Let's look at how much I've made in the last 10 days, and this is all real. So I've got a net income of $144 in the last 10 days from making like a few quick videos. I've had a few companies actually send me products from their Amazon store to unbox, not to make a review, because that goes against Fiverr's guidelines, but to make like a product demo just of you opening it. They'll send me the product for free. I'll get to keep the product as well as get that on Fiverr. So I've got, look, $8, which was a tip, $28, $12, $20, $16, $36, and that's not to mention orders that are currently not actually processed yet. And I've also just delivered 2, so that's $30 and $5. They wanted a 10-second video of me putting my phone on this wireless charger that they sent me for free. Like, these are literally all the products I've had in the last 10 days from sellers on Amazon asking me to make 1-minute videos of me opening a package. I've got to keep all these. I've had some test strips for water. I've had a wireless charging pad. I've had a wireless charging alarm clock. We've got all that sort of stuff in here. I've got a coaching board. Don't even know what it is. The wireless charging, some boxing pads, like all this stuff I've got to keep and I've got for free, literally getting more than one parcel every single day just by unboxing for people and posting it and sending it to them for completely free. So I'm charging like $20-30 for a 1-minute video of me literally unboxing it, not even saying anything, and I'm getting these free packages as well, which is great. It's a no-brainer. Don't get me wrong, you do get some wild orders. I've had a couple of orders of people asking like to write a short 30-word script for me to say in like a selfie version for like 30 seconds. I've also had someone ask me to bark like a dog. Literally bark like a dog for 1 minute and pay me $45. It's so crazy. The sky's the limit when it comes to stuff like that. I don't know where no one's saying I can't make money on Fiverr, I can't make money online. It's because you're not taking action. I literally tried this as just a joke to see if it would work. And my goal now is to make £500 profit this month. I'm 11 days in so far and we're at $144. It can work. I don't want anybody to say it can't. So if you have any questions about Fiverr or getting started, comment below and I'll answer as many questions as I possibly can. The only thing that you might want to ask is, well, when do you get paid? If you look on my computer and it says clearing, that means it takes 14 days in like a pending balance for Fiverr to send you your money. But it's a legit website. Don't pass up on this opportunity. It's a great and easy way to make money online. If you did like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, click subscribe. Stay tuned because I'm going to make a part 2 at the end of the month to show you how much I've made and if I've hit my £500 goal. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.